I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom stationery with some cling wrap and a napkin. This is a really fun technique. I'm going to start off with 2 pieces of computer paper that I've made into a square. You can use any size square. That will depend on how big you want your envelope and your card when you're finished. We're going to use 1 ply of the napkin, take a piece of saran wrap or cling wrap the same size as your paper, and iron the napkin onto the paper with the cling wrap in between. Now we're going to fold this all together once it's all trimmed up into an envelope. I'm putting the print from the napkin on the inside of the envelope, so if we want to mail it, you can put an address on the outside, but you can also put that on the outside and it'll look just as pretty too. Using my corner punch to make a nice rounded edge, I'm going to use my double-sided tape to put that envelope all together, and then fold that second square that we made, and that turns into your card. It'll fit right into your envelope and you're ready to give to that special person.